Okay, I know I've taken you on a wild ride on the history train, but we had to cover all of that to figure out this piece of the puzzle, okay? So, as we know, the Hoover Dam had a transformer that exploded. And at the Hoover Dam, we've got these weird fallen angel statues with this Masonic symbol on the ground in between two of the fallen angels. We've got a compass with astrological signs all around it. We've got markings on the floor showing that Thuban was the North Star of the ancient Egyptians at the time of the Great Pyramids. We see that Thuban was here and Polaris is here, which is our North Star. And over here, we've got Vega, which is the North Star of the future, which is supposed to happen in 12,000 years, but I believe that it's happening as we speak. Now, if we take a look at this architectural diagram that is of the statues and everything going on at the Hoover Dam, we can see that it is clearly a precision compass set that you would use in math to figure out a math problem. Clearly, this is a math problem that we're supposed to figure out. And right here is the math problem that somebody had to figure out to realize that the Hoover Dam was dedicated to Franklin D. Roosevelt in September of 1935. September is a very prominent month that keeps coming up in our history, even when it comes to Hitler and everything. And of course, we know that it's associated with 9/11. Now remember, on April 7th of 1933, Hermann Göring, who was then the Nazi Minister of the Interior, had met with Grand Master of the National Lodge of Freemasons of Germany, and a law passed that would reorganize the Grand Lodge as follows. The order will return to its original shape. From today on, the term National Lodge of Freemason of Germany, which was taken on in the 18th century, will no longer be valid. With this decision, the order has ceased to be a Masonic corporation. With the creation of these new German Christian orders, the rituals of German Freemasonry had changed with it. The checkered floor no longer showed Solomon's Temple, but was now a representation of Germany's Stratford Cathedral. Interesting. Cathedral, Catholicism. Have you guys seen the pictures of the Catholic Church? There's some creepy shit going on in there. I mean, what is this statue? This looks like a ritual that's going on here with the Pope and fathers. I mean, I don't know about you, but this does look like a reptile that they have at the Catholic Church where the Pope is at. And to me, this kind of looks like the face of a snake. Yeah, pretty much like this. Now, it says Vatican means divine snake. Are we surprised? I sure am not. So in 1933, a Nazi minister changed the law to follow the new German Christian order, which really stemmed from Catholicism because they're all the same. So they still got what they wanted and just used Hitler as a puppet. I'm gonna have to get into it more in the next video.